The Handheld Steam Cleaner, Model XZY123, is a versatile cleaning tool that effectively tackles dirt and grime across various surfaces with its powerful steam output. With a fast heating time of only 3 to 5 minutes, it delivers steam at high temperatures, ensuring quick and efficient cleaning without the need for harsh chemicals. Its lightweight and portable design, along with a nearly 10-foot power cord, makes it easy to maneuver and ideal for cleaning both indoor and outdoor spaces. Equipped with an extensive set of 16 accessories, this steam cleaner offers specialized tools for fabrics, windows, and hard-to-reach areas, catering to diverse cleaning needs. The chemical-free cleaning process ensures a safer environment for households with children and pets, as it sanitizes surfaces without leaving any harmful residues. This all-in-one cleaning toolkit is perfect for refreshing upholstery, shining glass surfaces, and reaching high places, making it a comprehensive solution for home cleaning.